This is why I say, bro, monk mode is pointless. Yeah, you need to be on your grind. Yeah, you need to focus on, you know what I'm saying, prioritizing your life, getting financial freedom, actually creating abundance for you and your family and everybody around you in your vicinity the whole time. That's fine. There's nothing wrong with that. But don't sit there and cut out the female aspect. Hey man, you know who it is, man. LBRDEZ, looking for you back on the video for me, new subscribe about footage for me, or subscribe about footage for me, like the video for me, watch all the way through. You gone lunch, that's a fact all the time. But look, man, today we're gonna talk about, you know what I'm saying, why monk mode is pointless. What am my mother? I know a lot of y'all asses want to be goddamn Buddhist monks and all that. What am my mother whole time? It's pointless, gang. What am my mother whole time? I break it down for y'all ass whole time. But look, before I get into that, you already know what to say, right? Like the video, so it's fat, you know what I'm saying? Subscribe now if you ain't subscribed yet, man. Turn Facebook to get updated when I upload a new video. That's the fat, you know what I'm saying? So leave that like, that's the fat, you know what I'm saying? Leave that like. I'm big over y'all, pretty on sex, I'm big over y'all, you know what I'm saying? Look at the bicep on me, baby. Stop playing with me. What am my mother whole time? All the time. We stop playing, but look, man, you know what I'm saying? Leave that like. Leave a comment in the comments down below how you felt about the video. And do the biggest thing out of all those, bro. Subscribe, man. Join the LBR gang. Watch this the gang, but that's a fact whole time. But look, I know what's going on, man, whole time. My males and my females. Ladies, I got to take a step back. No James Harden, but like, take a step back and sit your ass in the back of the bus like Rosa Parks did with my mother whole time. R.I.P. But look, you feel me? Because I got to talk to my dudes in them whole time. But look, the LBR gang member dudes, you feel me? My guys is with my mother, bro. You got to understand. Monk mode, bro, is pointless. What am my mother? There's no point to it. It's not a pencil. It's not a number 2 pencil with the leg coming out. No, bro. It's no point to monk mode. What am I dead? Because you have to understand. Monk mode means you have to sit here, bro, and grind for 3 to 6 months or however long you want to grind and just cut off all the distractions, cut out everything. That's cool. That's fine. There's nothing wrong with that. I always advocate for people, you know what I mean, cutting out distractions and prioritizing and focusing on with their craft or whatever they're trying to get to, you know what I mean, into achieving this life. That's respectable. I have no problem with that whole time. Understandable, right? My problem with monk mode is I heard FedEx Phillips say something about this whole time. If y'all know about FedEx Phillips, shout out to him, bro. He be putting dudes on game. But it makes perfect sense. He was basically saying, bro, a lot of y'all let's hop on monk mode for years at a time. 1 year, 2 years, decades, you feel me, whole time. Get your century head ass on. You hop on it for a whole century, whole time, gangsta whole time, right? And y'all sit there, bro, and literally cut out all female contact. Bro, you a grown-ass man. You gotta be out here, bro, talking to girls whole time. And then you wonder why, you feel me? You be having all this anxiety in your chest. You be feeling all scared and nervous going up to a female whole time, bro. Get your shy ass on. Oh, bro, what if she rejects me? Get your stupid ass out the way, bro. Get your rejection letter head ass back. Understand, bro. Girls are going to reject your ass if you do not know how to talk to them. But how would you know how to talk to them if you've been on monk mode for years and periods of time at a time, bro? You're not sitting there interacting with females on a daily basis. This is the point, my melts. You have to sit there and practice at something to get better. That's why they say practice makes perfect. So if you're not talking to females for years at a time, how do you expect when you finally get all this money, you get all this abundance of financial freedom whole time, that females are not just going to use you for your goddamn resources, bro? Understand that, because you don't understand game. You don't understand female nature. You haven't been doing no research into these type of things. So whole time, you'll be a novice to these actual yummy aspects of life, bro. So this is why I say, bro, monk mode is pointless. Yeah, you need to be on your grind. Yeah, you need to focus on, you know what I'm saying, prioritizing your life, getting financial freedom, actually creating abundance for you and your family and everybody around you in your vicinity whole time. That's fine. There's nothing wrong with that. But don't sit there and cut out the female aspect. Yes, bro, you have enough time. There's 24 hours in a day, bro. You have enough time, bro, to literally prioritize a little block of your time, bro, to still interact with females, still go on dating apps, still go on dates, still talk to girls, still go to picnics, bowling, goddamn laser tag, top golf. There's different things you could do with a female, bro, that's not going to take up your whole freaking day and you feel like, oh, damn, bro, I failed on monk mode. Get your stupid ass on. Get your mission incomplete head ass back. Understand, bro, you need to complete the mission of life. And completing the mission of life whole time is being goddamn competent at every aspect of your life. I'm not saying you gotta be the GOAT, the greatest, the myth, legend. I'm not saying you gotta be big LBO, you know what I'm saying, the TBE. I'm just saying, bro, you have to be at least competent overall in every aspect of your life. That goes from fitness, to goddamn finances, for basically money, your money making skills and stuff like that. That goes from that to your fashion, from your fashion to you actually knowing how to be a man, from that to females. Bro, it's a lot of different aspects of life. As a man, you have to conquer, my males. So you can't be saying here, bro, and fixating on one particular part of your life and calling yourself doing self-improvement, calling yourself doing monk mode, thinking that you're improving something. Bro, you need to improve every aspect of your life, bro, literally. Because if you don't, you're going to be deficient in the aspect of your life. So now you have all this money, but you're just a rich simp because you don't understand how females operate. But look, other dudes, they sit there They prioritize the gym, but now they have no money. Now you broke as hell. You just a dude with a nice body and you broke as hell. You feel me? The whole time. Understand, there's different things in your life that you need to prioritize, my males and my females. So you can't be saying here, my dudes out here thinking that, oh, I could just get all this money, I could just be on monk mode the whole time, and all these girls are gonna want me. No, bro, because you're gonna be oblivious to them, bro. They're not gonna see your stupid ass. And when you finally do pop up with all this money in abundance, you're just gonna be a rich ass simp, bro. This is your problem. You're gonna be a bandman cowboy, bro. You're gonna be out here, bro, literally paying for the box. Cause ain't no way, bro. What am I mother, bro? Cause I just hit a lick in the box. Get your Roddy Rich head ass on. Like, you in there worried about the box, bro, whole time. Understand. To realize what's going on, you're not supposed to be worried about the box. You're supposed to be prioritizing yourself, yeah, but you're still supposed to deal with females, man. This is y'all problem, bro. I'm telling y'all last, bro, this is a lot of y'all problems whole time. Because you want to sit there, bro, and think just getting successful is going to get you all these females. Yes, it's a part of it. It's about 80% of you getting girls is you being successful, because that gives you status in society, my males. And it gives you the financial freedom to actually go out there and take girls on different dates that they actually want to go on, or actually give them experiences that they actually will, you know what I'm saying, sit there and cherish and hold to their heart whole time. But understand, you have to still know female nature. You can't be giving a girl everything because you thinking, oh, I have $100 million. Well, she's going to just want me because of my money. Bro, that's not cool. I want girls that actually like me for me. I want girls that actually like me for me being the prettiest, sexiest dude alive. Basically, dig out with y'all, you feel me? A lot of y'all be just wanting girls to like y'all for different things in y'all life whole time. I'm not saying she's not going to like that you're successful. I'm not saying she's not gonna like that you're ambitious, but I'm saying, bro, she has to like you for you. But you're gonna sit there and get all this money, all this abundance, and not realize that, bro, females are just using your ass, bro, whole time. This is what happens to a lot of basketball players, NBA players, NFL players, musicians, rappers, artists, all these different types of people in these different career fields. They get all this money, but they sit there and forget about female nature. Look at Will Smith. You feel me? Look at Will Smith, bro. He's a famous actor the whole time. Got all this money, all these millions of dollars, all these different things, right? Goddamn brand deals, sponsorships, feel me? All this stuff, right? Whole time. But guess what? He picked a female who didn't even like him. He was her last option whole time, bro. He was a beta male to her, bro. She just seen him as a simp. Oh, yeah, he all in love with me whole time. But in reality, bro, she wanted somebody of the archetype of Tupac. That's who she really wanted. She wanted a gangster thug NBA YoungBoy ass dude whole time, bro. But guess what? She settled for who? Will Smith. That's what she did. She settled for Will Smith. This is why Will Smith, his whole relationship with her has been so much turmoil and problems, bro. Because he's saying here, thinking that, oh, bro, she just loves me so much, bro, and woo woo, she probably love how I treat her. Bro, understand, if you do not realize female nature, if you don't take the time out to understand female nature, you don't take the time out to actually deal with girls and vet females to see which ones really like you and how they will operate if they really like you, and which ones don't like you and how they will operate if they don't like you. And sit there, bro, and analyze and sit there and really think about these things on a daily basis, then you're going to sit there, bro, and make the biggest, baddest decision that you can make in your life, which is saying here, bro, picking the wrong female to, you know what I'm saying, give your resources to. Because that's the whole end goal of it, right? You getting all this money to do what? Find a female so that you can end up doing what? Giving her your resources. So you have to be able to vet this female out. But the only way you could to be able to vet this female is by dealing with females, bro. You need experience with my mother the whole time, bro. Gangster. Y'all asses like PBS kids and all that. Y'all rugrats out here, bro. We all grown up. You feel me? The whole time we grown as hell. We 34, 35 years old. We basically experiencing this. You feel me? I'm a veteran in this. You feel me? The whole time, bro. Gangster. You start here beginning, still scared to talk to a girl. Actually look her in her eyes like, yo, bro, that's basics. You feel me? The whole time, bro. You need to go back to the boot camps, bro, and all that. With my mother, bro. I'm already a Navy SEAL and shit. You feel me? Gangster, bro. You feel me? Understand, bro. Life is all about levels to this shit. You feel me? The whole time. So you have to start off at the base level, bro. You might not be getting females right now, but the fact that you're learning about female nature, the fact that you're actually sitting there going and talk to females, you're actually going trying to revolutionize your image to actually be more attractive to females, bro. You're putting yourself in a position so that when you actually acquire all this success that you're working so hard for, that you're dedicating your time and effort and energy to, now, bro, when you get all the things that you ever wanted, look, you put the work in, and now guess what? You can know how to talk to females, you know how to deal with females, you know how to vet females, and you actually know, bro, which females are like you and which females are actually for you. Not the girls that are just using you for your clout, not the girls that are just using you for your money, not the girls that are just using you just to say that they know you or dealt with you or dated you. You're actually dealing with females who actually want to be with you, who actually want to give you kids, who actually want to be with you forever and ever and ever. Like a goddamn fairy tale. What if my mother wants some goddamn Romeo and Juliet type shit? You feel me? But understand that, bro. This is why monk mode mode is pointless, bro. Don't hop on monk mode, cutting out all female interactions, bro. You need to still deal with females, because I'm going to still deal with females and still get money and still get everything that you're trying to get. I'm going to get all that times 10 with my mother, and I'm going to still be beating backs, blowing tracks with my mother and drowning in the WAP like A Boogie. What you talking about? So I understand that, bro. So you don't need to hop on monk mode to cut out all the female interactions, bro. Still deal with females, still interact with females, still learn about female nature, bro. But just obviously prioritize your grind and focus on what you need to focus on. That's a fact, Code Time. So look, man, do all these things, man. You're going to be good. You're going to be station, man. These are wireless from who? Big LBR, but look, you know what I'm saying? Like the video, like this, a fan, I'm saying, subscribe now if you ain't subscribed, man. Tell friends you better get updated and upload a new videos. The fan, I'm saying, follow me on Instagram at LBRDEZ, LBRDEZ. Follow my other Instagram at LBRDEZ. YouTube here, both in the description box and the comment section down below. Under the videos, the fan, I'm saying, hit me up on there. You need advice, you need video ideas in my DMs or the comment section below. Under the videos, the fan, I'm saying, follow me that TikTok, man, down to the fact, I'm saying. Follow me that TikTok, man, down to the fact, I'm saying. That's what I way through. And mess with the fact for me, join the LBR gang. And watch this the gang way, but look, man. I'm making a very good doing that, but it's today, man. You already know what to say, right? Ladies love me, man. Big LBR, you feel me? I'm advocating for you to get some WAP, bro. You in there always complaining, oh, LBR, I don't know how to get any girls. Bro, I'm literally telling you, you have to interact with them to go get them, bro. With my mother, bro. It's a numbers game. You talk to 100 girls, one of these girls gonna want to mess with you with my mother, bro. So go get you some WAP for sure. But look, man, I'm out of bed, bro.